Hello, hello. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make the italicized version of your font in Showit match the rest of your font. So we're talking about when you're designing in Showit and you have like this title font, for instance, and you want to italicize a word here. So let's italicize uncomplicate, for instance. It kind of just slants the text, but it doesn't use the real text italicized version of this font. So it looks kind of crappy to just like slant the text here. We want the real text to show up. So I'll show you what that looks like real quick in preview so you can see. I already have this set up. So this is the italicized version of the font versus what you see back here is the slanted version of the font. So in order to do that, it's actually so simple. This video is gonna just take a few seconds. You wanna make sure that you have the italicized version of the font uploaded into your media library, and then you can place the font somewhere hidden on your website. So the best place that I would suggest doing this is down in the footer and then hiding it somewhere on your screen. So this is actually right here. So all you've got to do is add in a text element. You don't really need to change this at all. And then click the font, the italicized version of the font, and then make it hidden. So I would blend this in with the screen. So that's literally what I've done right here. So I'll go ahead and delete that. So you can't even see it on both the desktop and the mobile version. So it's hidden, it's somewhere on the screen. Showit has to have it be this way, so you don't have to put this in the footer. You could put this in a separate section, but if you do that, make sure that you put it on every single web page that you're working on. So now that this is down in the footer, Showit can pull the text from somewhere. So we are going to just add some custom code. This code will be needed to add on every single page that you want that italicized version to add to. So we're just going to go into custom CSS, and you're going to copy and paste this code and then change the name of the font out for whatever name of the font you're wanting to. You can also edit the letter spacing here as well if you needed to do that. And then click save, and it's as simple as that. So when you're working in Showit, all you have to do is like click here, italicize the word that you want to, and it's gonna look slanted font here, but then when you actually go to preview and publish the website, it's going to be the real font. So you can see a few examples down here. So this is the real italicized version of the font, and I think it's down here as well. Yep. So it doesn't look that way on the back end, but just trust that it's going to look that way when it's preview and published. There's a few different ways to do this, but I found that this is the easiest way to do this in Showit. So hopefully that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.